This is Mark Penny with MarineMax Sail and Ski. I'd like to take you on a walkthrough through our 190 SPX 2019 model we have in stock. Great colors, black on white, Tandem axle trailer. From the outside you can see the wakeboard tower, sun top, and wakeboard racks. As you go to the back, you have an Alpha drive up with Seadek on the rear platform, the boarding ladder. All our sea rays come with straps to support the drive to the lake. Has a tandem axle trailer. All over, very sleek looking boat. We go around to the side. You have a swing tongue with surge brakes. Great profile boat. As we get into the cockpit area of the 190, you have Seadek all throughout. You have removable Seadek on the flooring in the cockpit. As you go through the walk-through windshield, you have bow seating, very comfortable, with 2 bow speakers and handrails. As we go back towards the cockpit area, you can see a rear bench seat with a sun pad, walk-through windshield closable. You have Seadek all throughout the platforms, the steps going to the rear platform, easy access to your ladder, and a handrail when you're coming aboard. So you have a handrail if you're sitting facing backwards with a nice cushion, 5 speakers, with a very comfortable backrest facing forward, with a handrail also to hold on to. Your bow lights there. Very nice place to be on the boat. Here we look at the helm. You have a tilt steering wheel with a full gauge package, which also shows the R meter full length, 1 gauge. You have a depth finder, toggle switches to turn on the bilge pump lights, your hand shifter with tilt and trim on the thumb. Also, you'll have a mirror equipped with this boat, cup holder, stainless steel, toggle switch with a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, very easy to operate and link on. Everything that you need to turn on lights, build, is right there on arm's length. Here you have a storage compartment, which is lockable for valuables. All its places with a drain in case the water somehow gets in there. And then below, you actually have more storage, fire extinguisher, your cover, jackets, and so on. Here you have a 2-person seat with handrails, drink holders, speaker with a backrest. Also to the rear you have a full bench seat with storage underneath. And to the left of that you'll have a little area for more storage. The drink holder. Basically a drink holder for everyone. Right now we have the sun pad raised up. Take a look at the engine. It has a 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower, extremely fast engine, very dependable. And as we go through the walkthrough, you have a storage compartment dedicated for your battery and a removable ice chest. Easy access. Here it shows with the ice chest removed, and you have a battery switch, on-off switch, save the life of your battery, and it won't drain. Very accessible. Thank you for joining me. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat in our inventory, please give me a call or stop by our Austin store Lakeway store. We're here in San Antonio.